Hello friends, in last video we have seen a mechanism of electrophilic substitutions on the aromatic rings, and then we saw factors affecting the orientations and reactivity of the electrophilic substitution on the aromatic ring. Now we will go into the examples. So first reactions will take nitration. So in this video we will learn about mechanism of nitration. Friends, nitration means aromatic benzene ring. This contains 6 hydrogens. 6 hydrogens. So one of the hydrogen of the aromatic ring is replaced by a nitro group. A nitro group. That reaction is called as nitration reaction. For nitration reaction, the reagent is nitrating mixture. The nitrating mixture is a mixture of concentrated HNO3 plus concentrated H2SO4. Concentrated H2SO4. So in this case, the mechanism is of 3 steps. Mechanism will have 3 steps. So first step is a generation of nitronium ion. First step is a generation of or formation of nitronium ion. So what is nitronium ion? So nitronium ion is the NO2 plus, that is electrophile. So this is the first step. For that purpose we need reagents like HNO3, that is nitric acid, concentrated nitric acid, plus concentrated H2SO4. Concentrated H2SO4. So it will give us nitronium ion, that is NO2 plus, and byproducts are protonated water plus 2, this is the conjugate base, that is HSO4 minus. So this is called as our electrophile, that is nitronium ion. Second step is a formation of sigma complex, that is rhenium ion. So second step is formation of rhenium ion. Or sigma complex. Or sigma complex. So in that case, what will happen? Our benzene ring, that is rich in pi electrons, benzene ring rich in pi electrons, that will attack on the nitronium ion. So our electrophile, that is nitronium ion. So what will happen? One of the pi bond will break, those electron goes to the nitronium ion. So what will happen? We will get a nitronium ion. So this 2 pi bond remains as it is, while 1 carbon, there is a addition of this nitronium ion, positive charge is neutralized. This is the hydrogen of that aromatic ring, and second carbon will be electropositive because these pi electrons are shared between these 2 carbons, while this pi bond forms a sigma bond with this nitronium ion. So second carbon will be electron deficient. So this is called as sigma complex. This sigma complex is stabilized by the resonance effect. So all these carbons will have positive charge, while here one is hydrogen, one is nitronium ion. So this is a hybrid structure of this sigma complex ion. Third step, that is aromatization. third step is a aromatization. So in that case, what will happen? This sigma complex, so this is a sigma complex, one carbon is positively charged and near carbon there is a nitronium ion and aromatic hydrogen. So base, this is HSO4 minus will take this proton, so this sigma bond will break, the sigma electron goes over here and what you will get is nitrobenzene. So this is a nitrobenzene. So in this way, and our byproduct is H2SO4. H2SO4. So in this way, nitration reaction is of three types. First one is nitronium ion formation, second one is formation of sigma complex or rhenium ion, and third one is aromatization. So in that case, whatever that sigma complex is break down into the aromatic ring. Now we will learn in details. So first step is, what is the first step? First step is the formation of nitronium ion. Ion. Now nitronium ion is formed by addition of HNO3, that is concentrated nitric acid, and concentrated H2SO4. For that mechanism purpose, you should know the structures of nitric acid. In nitric acid, this is the double bonded oxygen, and here is OH. So this is HNO3, nitric acid structure, and H2SO4, this is a H2SO4 structure. So both are concentrated acids, but sulfuric acid is more acidic than nitronium ion. So in this particular reaction, the sulfuric acid acts as a acid, while nitric acid acts as a base. So what will happen? This lone pair will attack on the proton of the sulfuric acid. This bond will break and we will get this HSO4 minus. So there is a protonation of nitric acid. Nitric acid acts as a base, while sulfuric acid acts as a acid. It donates the proton, and what we will get the conjugate base, that is HSO4 minus. Now what will happen? This leaves as a water molecule. So this is protonated nitric acid. So this bond will get leave and we will get our electrophile, that is nitronium ion. So in that case, this sigma bond electrons goes to oxygen atom. So oxygen positive charge will be neutralized, but nitrogen loses the electron and it will get a positive charge. Later on, this H2O acts as a base, and second molecule of sulfuric acid will donate this water molecule and we will get protonated water, that is H3O plus, HSO4 minus. So in this nitronium ion formation, we will get this nitronium ion, protonated water, and two molecules of conjugated base, that is HSO4 minus. So in this way, this is the first step, that is nitronium ion formation. This nitronium ion is electron deficient, while our benzene is electron rich, acts as a Lewis base. For this nitronium ion formation, we can use another nitronium perchlorate, for example NO2Cl O minus and NO2 plus. This can be used for generation of nitronium ion. Otherwise, we can use this nitronium ion fluoride, boron tetrafluoride, UNO2 boron tetrafluoride. This can be used for the generation of nitronium ion. Step second. Step second is the attack of electrophile. Attack of electrophile. That is formation of sigma complex. Formation of sigma complex. In this case, what will happen? The benzene ring, that is aromatic ring, which is rich in pi electrons. There are 6 pi electrons, and our nitronium ion, that is electrophile. So this is our electrophile, right? So what will happen? The pi bond, one of the pi bond will donate electrons to the nitronium ion and formation of sigma complex. So what will happen? One of the pi bond will break, 2 pi bond remains as it is, while one of the pi bond will break. That pi electrons are used to form a sigma bond with nitronium ion. So this is the positive charge, here is the aromatic hydrogen, and here is the positive charge. So this carbocation will form. So this is called as sigma complex. This sigma complex is non-aromatic, but this is very stable due to resonance effect. See here, this pi bond may get break and this pi electron goes over here. So what will happen? This positive charge will be neutralized, positive charge generate over here, here will be the double bond. So this is the resonating structure for nitronium ion, sigma complex. So this is hydrogen, this is our electrophile, and this is a positive charge. Similarly, this pi bond is also in conjugation with this positive charge. So this pi bond will break, those electron goes over here. So this single bond converted to double bond converted to the single bond, and we will get another resonating structure for this sigma complex. So here will be the pi bond, double bond, sigma. So here will be generation of positive charge. This is the hydrogen and this is our electrophile, right? See here this step again, why this negative charge is there. This is our nitronium ion. So here will be the positive charge. So nitrogen was electron deficient. So this pi bond will generate, attack on this nitrogen, and this pi bond will break, those electron goes to the nitrogen, and then this species we will get. That is called as sigma complex. This sigma complex is very stable due to this resonance effect. So we can write resonance hybrid for this. So this ring becomes electron deficient. So this is the sigma complex for this nitration reaction. So the sigma complex is very stable due to resonance effect. So carbon number 2, carbon number 4 and carbon number 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 4 and 6. These carbons are electron deficient. Ring becomes electron deficient. So further electrophile attack will be difficult. Step third, that is aromatization. Step third is a aromatization. So in that case, our sigma complex, that is non-aromatic, So this was a sigma complex which was non-aromatic. Our conjugate base which is formed into the first step, that is electrophile generation, that is HSO4 minus. This HSO4 minus abstract this proton. So this sigma bonding electron goes inside into the ring, formation of pi bond, and this ring becomes aromatic. So this step is called as aromatization. So here will be the nitro group. So this is the structure of nitro group. So we can write in this way also, no problem. So the product is nitrobenzene. So benzene to nitrobenzene, this reaction is called as nitration reaction, and this is electrophilic substitution reaction. In this case, you may say that this is the negative charge, this is the positive charge, this negative charge directly attacks to the positive charge also. You can say that, see here what will happen. Suppose this is sigma complex, this is the positive charge. Now suppose this conjugate base, if acts as a nucleophile and attacks on this positive charged carbon, that is carbocation, then we will get this addition product. So here will be OSO3H and here will be HNO2. So this addition product, this is non-aromatic. And product is aromatic. So aromatic product formation is more favorable than the non-aromatic, because non-aromatic species are less stable. That aromatic character gives special stability to this nitrobenzene. That's why this nucleophilic attack of the base is not possible. This is not possible. So this is the mechanism for nitration reaction. First step is a generation of electrophile, that is formation of nitronium ion. Second step is attack of electrophile, so formation of sigma complex, that is called as generation of sigma complex. And third step is aromatization. So in that case, base abstracts this proton and ring sigma complex converted to the aromatic ring. So this is the first step. Now friends, we will learn rate of the reaction. If we learn the rate of the reaction, that is kinetics of the reaction, is directly proportional to the concentration of the aromatic ring, that is substrate, and the concentration of nitronium ion. So it clearly indicates that the slow step, that is rate determining step, involves the benzene as well as nitronium ion. So this is the slow step. So first step is a slow step, that is electrophilic attack, that is pi bond break and sigma complex will form, while aromatization ring, that is abstraction of proton and become aromatic ring formation, that is the first step. This mechanism can be proved by some experimental tools. First we will learn about kinetic isotopic effect. So first, that is kinetic isotopic effect. Friends, already these terms we have learned in nucleophilic substitution reactions as well as in elimination reactions. So kinetic isotopic effect means the change in rate of the reactions when one of the atom of the substrate is replaced by its isotope, then that rate change can be called as kinetic isotopic effect. For example, this is our benzene. So benzene having hydrogens C6H6, and if you are carrying out the reaction, nitration reaction, so first step is formation of sigma complex. So pi bond will attack on this nitronium ion and formation of sigma complex. So this is our this is our sigma complex, this is NO2 and this is positive charge. And second step is a aromatization. So HSO4 minus will abstract this proton and we will get this nitration reaction. So this is the slow step, that is rate determining step, while abstraction of proton aromatization, that is called as fast step. So in this case, suppose all these hydrogens are replaced by deuterium, the isotope of the hydrogen. Suppose this is a rate, that is KH. And now same reaction, if you are carrying out taking a isotope of hydrogen, that is deuterium, now CD bond is somewhat strong to break. So in this case also, first step is a slow step, that is formation of sigma complex. So this pi bond will break, attacks over here, and we will get this sigma complex. All are deuterium, so this is deuterium, this is nitronium ion, this is positive charge, and then abstraction of this deuterium. So second step is a fast step where carbon deuterium bond will break, and what we will get is deuterated nitrobenzene, and suppose this rate constant is D. So in this particular reaction, KH is equal to KD. What we observed is KH is equal to KD. That means the rate of the reaction in terms of hydrogens and in terms of deuterated benzene, both rate constant are same. So we are not observing this kinetic isotopic effect. In both the cases rate is same. That clearly indicates that breaking of carbon hydrogen bond and breaking of carbon deuterium bond is occur into the fast step, that doesn't affect the rate of reaction. So this is the proof for the rate of reaction is directly proportional to the concentration of aromatic ring and concentration of nitronium ion. So it clearly indicates that the slow step contains benzene as well as nitronium ion, while breaking of carbon deuterium or carbon hydrogen bond is occur at fast step. So this mechanism has been proved by this experiment. Now we will learn energy profile diagram, that is change in rate of reaction in terms of potential energy difference, that is called as energy profile diagram. We will learn energy profile diagram. Friends, our reaction is, this is aromatic ring, that is ARH, plus our nitronium ion, that is electrophile. So we will get a sigma complex, that is AR, H, NO2, both are present on the aromatic ring, while aromatic ring having positive charge. And then second step is aromatization, in which aromatic ring hydrogen is replaced by the nitro group plus H plus as a byproduct. So this is our K1 and this is our K2. In particular reaction, first step is a slow step, rate determining step. In that case, K1 is very less than K2. K2 is a fast step while K1 is a slow step. Suppose if you are plotting a graph, that is change in potential energy of the species versus reaction coordinate. So at ground level there is a ARH plus our electrophile, that is nitronium ion. So energy is very less. So as soon as they will attack on each other, energy rises. So maximum energy level, that is called as transition state. So this transition state is called as transition state first. Then that transition state maximum energy is converted to the slowly down energy less. So at this position it's called as sigma complex. So the sigma complex contains hydrogen as well as nitronium ion. So here aromatic ring will have positive charge. So this is called as sigma complex. Then sigma complex will break into the products. So there will be the second transition state and then energy comes down. So here will be the product, that is ArNO2 plus H plus as a byproduct. So ARH is converted to the ArNO2. So aromatic hydrogen is replaced by the NO2 group, and this step is called transition state second. This is the ground level energy. So this transition state, the energy gap between transition state and the starting energy is called as energy of activation. The energy gap between starting and the transition state second, this is called as energy of activation for the second step. Friends, in this case, energy of activation first transition state is very higher than the energy of activation for the second transition state. This is the driving force that this reaction not going backward. If this sigma complex is formed, it is automatically converted to the product, not to the starting material. So this is because energy of activation for the first transition state is higher than the energy of activation for the second transition state. In another way, suppose if we are replacing the hydrogens of the benzene ring with the deuterium, then there is a slight change in energy of activation. This is for activation energy for the deuterium, and this is the activation energy for the hydrogen. There is a slight change in energy of activation for the second transition state, but this KH and KD, this is the rate constant if hydrogen, this is the rate constant in presence of deuterium. But this breaking of KH and KD, that bond, is occur at the fast step. It occurred at fast step. So either this KH bond or KD bond, that doesn't matter for the rate of reaction that much. That's why KH is equal to the KD, even though for the second transition state there is a slight change in energy of activation. So in this way we have completed a nitration reaction. As we know, this is reaction occur in three steps. First one is electrophile generation, second step is formation of sigma complex, and third step is a aromatization ring. After nitration of the benzene ring, benzene ring becomes electron deficient. So second electrophile attack on the benzene ring will be quite difficult. Thank you.